Hello everyone, this is Kalpana working as an assistant professor in SNS College of Technology at Artificial Intelligence and Data Science Department. Today we are going to discuss about phases of natural language processing. Let's begin the session. So this is our today's agenda, recapping our previous session, then thing session is there, then the phases of NLP. So this is the recap of the previous session. So in previous session we have discussed what is natural language processing. So it is the way of understanding, interpreting and uh, generating the response to the user. So it is the definition of your natural language processing, and then we have discussed about the origin of natural language processing, history or origin of natural language processing. It has started from 1949, and then some challenges, NLP difficulties or challenges we have discussed. And how are sentences processed in chatbot? We are just typing the query, we are just typing the prompt in the chatbot. But then this chatbot understands the query, and it responded to the user. How it happens, how the entire sentence, paragraph, sentence is understood by the chatbot. We'll see what is the technique behind this process, how our chatbot is understanding a lengthy sentence or paragraph or whatever we say. So how our system process our entire sentence, or if we have a lengthy paragraph, how it process. So it has some phases. Our natural language processing, it has some phases, okay. So by following that phases, our entire paragraph or sentence is being processed. We'll see one by one. The first is lexical analysis. So first, for example, just see the sentence, I love phone. Okay, so this is the sentence given to the system. So in lexical analysis phase, your system split these sentence into words first of all. Okay, so words here nothing but we also say it as tokens. Okay, your entire sentence, I love phone, is split into separate independent words. We say tokens. Words are otherwise called as tokens. So here this is split into I as separate, love and phone. It is split into three words now. So this is the task of lexical analysis. Okay, so tokenization is the task of lexical analysis. After that, syntactic analysis. So in syntactic analysis, it checks for the grammar, whether the the sentence formation is correct or not. It follows the grammar rules of the English or not. If you are checking with the English language, it follows the grammar or correct grammar rules or not, sentence formation or not. It checks for the grammar part. So that is the work of the syntactic analysis. So once the sentence is divided into words, next is it is checking for the grammatically your sentence is correct or not. So she eats apple is correct, but then it rejects in wrong order. Eats she apple. If I give eats she apple, then it is not in the correct formation of the sentence. So that is the syntactic analysis. Next is semantic analysis. So when I say semantic, it means meaning. Okay. Then third thing is meaning of the sentence. First is tokenization. You have words from the sentence. After that, we are going to check for the grammar. Then the third thing is meaning. Okay. Understanding the meaning, entire meaning of the sentence. Okay. Like if I say cold coffee good, not truck eats orange. So it is meaningless. This sentence, second sentence, truck eats oranges are meaningless. Okay. So it is the third phase is checking for the meaning, understanding the meaning of the sentence. Next is fourth step is discourse integration. So it is actually checking the context of the sentence. in which context it is referring. So in first example, for example, just see this sentence. He refers to John. In case if I am telling that John is a good boy, he likes to play. If I say he likes to play, here he refers to John. Okay. So likewise, discourse integration, we are going to integrate with if it is a pronoun, we are going to integrate with the name. Likewise, we are going to see the dependencies of the words and the sentences in this integration. And the final step is pragmatic analysis. So here we are going to see the intended meaning of the sentence, which means, can I have your pencil? Can I have water? Can I have some water? If I ask in that tone, it is a request. Okay, it is not an interrogative sentence. So the system must understand interrogation as well as request, order, everything. So that is the pragmatic analysis, differentiating the context and intent of the sentence. So that is the next thing. So these are all the phases of the NLP. It is very, very important to process any sentence. Okay, sentence or paragraph. Okay, the first is lexical analysis, next is syntactic analysis, third is semantic. We are concentrating on the meaning of the sentence. Next is discourse. We are going to check the context of the sentence. We are going to relate the words and the sentence. And next is pragmatic. So here we are going to check the intended meaning, and we are going to differentiate whether it is interrogative one, order based, or imperative one. Thank you.